When everybody's bird, about bird. Is that Alpha 1 or Alpha? That's Alpha 1. Это самая первая винтовка, которая была во Вьетнаме. Vietnam.
Everything except for the lower receiver. The lower receiver, this grip is original A1, sourced from A1's parts.
Mm-hmm.
Actual surplus A1 parts.
Mm-hmm.
The stock is an A1. This is a F stock.
Wow.
Actual trapdoor.
Ребята, это оригинальная со времен Вьетнама.
And this is an actual real deal Colt. This is a Colt upper receiver.
Uh-huh.
And actually, this was a Colt upper receiver spare part. Otherwise, it would be marked C right here. But if
your girl fell down.
You know, talk girl over. That's fine, dude. Just for the. And so, anyways, this was a spare part.
Yeah.
Surplus. So, but still, this was made for the A1s to repair parts, the upper receiver, and the barrel is an actual Colt barrel.
То есть ствол национальный Кольта. That's rare.
Yes.
Wow. Это очень редкая вещь, ребята.
So everything but the lower receiver itself. The lower receiver is
То есть нижняя ствольная коробка, она не оригинальная, но все остальное оригинальное от Альфа 1.
The bolt, the upper receiver, the furniture, the barrel, and the muzzle, and the
пламегаситель, затвор, все оригинальное. Вау.
But this I have to have because of the civilian.
А, да, ну то есть ему нужно иметь ствольную коробку нижнюю, немножечко другую, потому что она полуавтоматическая, semi-auto. Wow, that's cool. Do you have Alpha 2?
No, I don't like the Alpha 2, the A2.
Wasn't it your service rifle?
I was issued this. This is my first. This is when I was issued an A1 was my first.
Он начинал с этой, с Альфа 1.
I've been in that long. I was issued an A1, an A2, an M4.
То есть он начинал с Альфа 1, потом Альфа 2, потом М4.